मार्क रफेलो नामी इस एक्टर ने, जो कि हॉलीवुड का एक्टर है, फ़लस्तीन में होने वाले जुल्म और सितम के ख़िलाफ़ आवाज़ उठाई है और पुरज़ोर तरीके से उठाई है।
Responsible for designating starvation or famine in a particular area has just stated that Gaza is in a state of famine. This is not a natural disaster. It's not a drought. This is a man-made disaster. It's a man-made criminal act to kill civilian populations. And it's being perpetrated by Israel and the IDF. They have all the food in the world on one side of the border. And on the other side, they have nothing. Don't let Gaza starve. Speak up. Don't stop until there's a just and lasting peace. Yes, we must stop this. We must bring the hostages home. And we must stop the killing of the children. More than 80% of the people who have died in this war are civilians. It's insane. Do something. President Trump, do something. You say you care about starving people. You say you want to stop war. Do something. Germany, do something. Europe, do something. UK, do something. We're going to sit here and watch this happen? It's insane. It's heartbreaking.
और ना ही सिर्फ आवाज़ उठाई है, बल्कि ट्रम्प को भी ललकारा है कि ट्रम्प कुछ करो। और ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है। एक हॉलीवुड का एक्टर अगर इज़राइल के ख़िलाफ़ बोला है तो गोया कि उसने अपना पूरा करियर दांव पे लगाया है।